Hello, everyone. Thanks to being here. And this is our presentation of the company and our recruitment process. Firstly, let's come to our table of content. We include 6 parts in our presentation. Firstly is the company introduction. Our poll is growing tech company focused on the data analytics and custom software development. We have the organization turn unstructured data into actionable insights and build tailored digital solutions to automate workflows and boost business performance. Our business model follows the B2B, which is business to business service model, and our services are structured into 3 primary areas. Firstly is custom software development, advanced data analytics, and the last one is consulting service. Next, about our vision and our mission. Our vision is to become a leading innovator in data-driven technology, empowering the business worldwide to make smarter decisions through the intelligent software and analytics. Next, about our mission. Our mission is to deliver high-quality, scalable software solution and advanced analytics that drive the measurable impact for our clients while fostering a culture of innovation and continued improvement. Next, about our service. Our service is AI and machine learning, our data transformation, and web and mobile development. Now, let's why we created poll. We want to have the small and medium enterprise unlock the value of the data, addressing the gap between the generic tools and enterprise level complexity. Next, we want to combine expertise in software engineering, data science, and business analysis to build tailored, cost-effective solutions. And the last one, we want to create technology that empower the people, make the work easier, smarter, and more efficient. Now, let's come to our website overview. Here is our website. Our website is designed to reflect the Paul company identity as a professional, data-driven technology company. The main color scheme of our website combines the dark blue and the white, which is a clean model palette that conveys the choice, innovation, and precision. Firstly, is our homepage. We include the delivering excellent data and software service, which can clearly communicate our core mission to provide the advanced data analysis and software solutions that help the business make smarter decisions. This sets the tone and direction of our entire websites. Next one, the About Us page help visitors understand who we are, introduce our story, our vision, and also our mission. The next one is the survey page, present what we offer from the software development to analytics service. In here, the clients can understand which service we support and also what benefits we can bring to them. And the next one, about the job page. On the job section is where we post open position. It includes the job description and also the requirements, allows the candidate or the internal employee to apply directly through the site. We include the responsibility, which the certification that the application must have, and what's great in our job we can offer to them. Now, finally, the contact us is open for everyone, client, applicant, or partners to reach out with questions, collaboration opportunities, and service inquiries.
The next step is about the recruitment process. I will show you guys in the Braille platform too easy to follow. And I'd like to walk you through the recruitment process from the initial planning stage to the final job offer. And this process has been carefully designed to ensure that the company hire the most suitable candidate in a consistent, structured, and efficient way. The recruitment process obviously begins when a manager identifies the need to hire and submit a recruitment plan to the HR department. This stage triggers the recruitment proposal approval, where HR first check two essential things. First is whether the position aligns with the company workforce plan and whether there is sufficient budget for the hire. HR also assess the feasibility of filling the role internally. If internal hiring is possible, HR send the announcement to potential internal candidate via their email. But if the internal mobility is not an option, the company proceeds with the external recruitment. At this stage, HR finalized the recruitment plan for external hiring and submitted it to the board of directors for approval. After discussed again and again with manager and agree on the discussed plan, at this stage, once BOD approval is obtained, the process move into the recruitment announcement sub-process. Here I mention as the post-job announcement. HR have to prepare detailed job description along with salary, benefit, and other incentive, and all of them are stored in the vacancy data object, which can be reused in the next step. Once everything is ready, the job posting is published on the company platform or shared with headhunter, depending on the chosen recruitment channel. At this point, the applications start coming in and are stored in the candidate application data object. After using the information from a data store, if a candidate does not meet the requirement, they receive the rejection email. On the contrary, the other applicant will be moved on to the first interview. First interview is also conducted with the company staff if they are not qualified enough. But with the qualified member, they will be immediately sent to the second round interview. Before the interview, HR have to prepare the necessary document. If the candidate arrives on time, the interview goes as planned. But if they are more than 20 minutes late, it'll trigger the reconfirmation process. At this sub-process, HR will call the applicant to check their availability. If there's no response, they will send the rejection email to the applicant. Otherwise, they will reschedule another interview. The interview also lead into the applicant assessment. At round one, candidates are evaluated on aptitude, cultural fit, motivation, salary expectation, and understanding of the role. And after that, the results are reviewed and discussed among the department staff, who then vote on whether the candidate advances. The successful candidate moves to the second round interview with the department manager. Otherwise, with the unqualified case, they will be receive the thank you and rejection email. Next, come to the applicant assessment in round two. The seamlessness and lateness and the reconfirmation rule apply here. If the applicant late for more than 20 minutes, a deeper evaluation stage involving in the round two interview as it will contain the case study, teamwork assessment, and a professional skill test. And after all parts are completed, manager discuss and vote on whether the candidate qualify. The candidate who passed the second round are classified into two categories. For regular position, the candidate moved directly to the offer stage. But for the critical position, the process continued with a third round interview conducted by the BOD. But at that round, the applicant who late for more than 20 minutes will be immediately rejected. And round three also lead to the applicant assessment. Here is where the BOD evaluate the application based on the professional competency and leadership potential. And once both assessments are done, a consensus meeting is held to finalize the decision. If the candidate passes, a job offer is sent, and HR will give the candidate a maximum Tuesday to think about the offer. And if they decline, HR may reject immediately. Otherwise, they will revise the offer and wait for new response. And if the candidate still decline, the process will end with a thank you email. But if the offer is accepted, the candidate will transition into the onboarding phase, and their profile will update in the human resource management. And also, with the applicant accept the offer from the at this stage, where the when the applicant are stored in the employee data storage, it will mark the completion of the recruitment process.
Now we will implement BPMN in Odoo application. First, the recruiter will open the recruitment model and click on the create button at the top left of the job positions page to create an open job position. After filling in the necessary information, the recruiter will check publish to make the job visible on the company website. When going to the website, the employer will add a more detailed job description in the tab section to attract more candidates. Now we will learn how candidates apply on the company website. On the home page of the company website, the applicant clicks the job link on top of the page to proceed to the job listing page. On the job listing page, they may click on the job position they are interested in. For example, here is business analyst. While on the detailed job page for business analyst, after reading the information about the open position, they will click the apply now button on the right of the page. The website navigates the applicant to the job application form. The applicant will now have to fill out all the necessary information, upload at least one file, or provide a linked profile. Finally, they will click apply to submit the details to company HR. While a congratulations page will pop up, make sure the recruiter has received the application, and simultaneously the applicant will receive an email to confirm that his or her application are submitted successfully. Next, we will find out about the evaluation process. Here we have a page called Kanban View where we can manage all applications. I have one new application named John Nguyen applying for business analyst. Here we can read their CVs on the left of the page. If the applicant is qualified, we can move him or her to the next page. If not, we can refuse with a proper reason. Situation, the candidate is qualified and is moved to the first interview. Here we can add automation, so if the applicant passed the CV screening, they will receive an email about the details of the interview. We can edit the template of the email here, and we can choose the template here and edit it in this one. Then the applicant will receive an email about the interview schedule. Here's the information about the interview. Similarly, we can create triggers to other stages like the second, third interview or the contract proposal here. We can choose the template of the contract proposal and edit it. So after the evaluation process, if the applicant accepts the offer, we will move his or her to the contract side, as mean that we hire them and create employee account for him or her, and then we will go to the employee model to see that here is the new employee account of John Nguyen.
Now I will introduce about evaluation and recommendation of our project. These are our subjective evaluation. Due to certain limitations, we were not able to address all issues this time. If given another opportunity, we will try to improve further. First is evaluation of website. Hor's website presents a professional image with a clean and easy to navigate layout. Key information is well organized. However, it lacks dynamic content, job filterings, and interactive tools to like chatbot, which limits user engagement and employer branding. Next is recommendation. We recommend adding updated content such as blogs and project showcases for SEO and engagement. Sharing employee stories will enhance authenticity. Job filters and chatbot integration will improve user experience and recruitment outcomes. Next is recommend evaluation for recruitment process. Post recruitment process is structured and integrated with Odoo, which is a big plus. However, some manual steps or delays candidates lack visibility on their status, and there's no talent database for future hirings. To improve efficiencies, we suggest automating emails and allowing applicants to track progress, setting internal deadlines, and collecting feedback helps optimize its hiring state. Talent pools will support faster hiring later on. The final part is conclusions. Through this report, we have shown that combining BPMN and Odoo helps standardize, automate, and improve the recruitment process, making it clearly structured and transparent. This not only optimize internal resources, but also enhance candidate experience. Going forward, continuous system improvement will help businesses stay competitive in today's fast-changing recruitment landscape. That is the end of our presentation. Thanks for listening.